Hello guys, review Teclast M50, this version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory, 10-inch display, LTE version blue color. Open box and look completion. We have device of course, and this we have Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay, double camera we have, speaker on this side, Type-C cable, adapter for Type-C cable and headphones jack, slot for SIM cards. Okay, turn on tablet. We have Android 14. Okay, open tests, Geekbench 6, look results. We have Unisoc T606 CPU and Mali G57 GPU. Look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Camera, portrait, panorama we have, ProRes. Okay, close this, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.